Hey Arduino friends, this video is about the analog soil humidity sensor, also called a soil moisture sensor. The goal of this sensor is to detect the soil humidity or moisture. If the soil is in lack of water, the analog value output will decrease, otherwise it will increase. For example, if the soil lacks water, like in the case of a houseplant, our LED will light up to indicate that the plant needs watering. Two common uses for the sensor are in agriculture, where farmers use these sensors to schedule and control irrigation systems, avoiding overwatering, being able to conserve water resources, and improve the yield and quality of their crops. And the other, home gardening, for indoor plants and small outdoor gardens, whereas the sensors signal when the plants need watering. In this video, I will show you how to connect the analog soil humidity sensor to the Arduino Uno board. Upload the sketch and do 2 serial readings of the sensor, one with dry soil and the other with wet or moist soil. If you are interested in learning more about Arduino and sensors, see the link in this video's description. To get started, you will need the Arduino Uno and this USB cord, the analog soil humidity sensor, 3 male to female jumper wires, 1 LED, a small container of dry soil, and a small glass of water. So let's get started on the wiring. Using a green wire, we connect S on the sensor to AO, which is analog output, on the Arduino. Using a brown wire, we connect V on the sensor to 5V on the Arduino. Using a red wire, we connect G on the sensor to G and D on the Arduino. Last, we connect our LED. The LED has a long leg and a short leg. We take the long leg, which is the positive side, and connect it to digital pin 13, and the short leg, which is the negative side, to the G and D pin right next to digital pin 13 on the Arduino. Now our wiring is complete. Let's open our Arduino IDE on our computer. This is where we input our sketch, also called code. Now save it. Now compile it. Make sure your Arduino board is connected to your computer using this USB cord. Once your board is connected, upload the sketch to your board. Now our sensor is ready. Before we begin using our sensor, let's learn how to use the serial monitor. On Arduino IDE, go to the Tools menu, and on the drop-down menu, select Serial Monitor. This is where you will see the sensor's activity. So let's take a look at the dry soil. As we insert the sensor into the dry soil, notice our LED is on. Our LED will stay on as long as our sensor is dry. As we look at our serial monitor, we see that our soil is dry and that it is time to water. So if this was set up for your house plant, the LED would be on telling you to water the plant. Now let's add some water to our dry soil. When the soil is wet or moist, notice that our LED light is now off. Our serial monitor reading is indicating that soil moisture is 100%, and it is no longer saying that the soil is dry or that it is time to water it. The analog soil humidity sensor is a great way to water your plants without overwatering them. Even though I used an LED as an indicator, you can also use buzzers or other types of alarms to let you know when your plants need watering. Thank you for watching this video about the analog soil humidity sensor. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.